Let's go. We're gonna document this in case we die out here.
It's really slippery. We're going to the store because we have no food.
They said blizzard, they weren't kidding. Thankfully, the redneck occupants of Hebbernville provided us a pathway to the store. Should be okay. Well, after a 2-hour hike uphill in the snow, we finally made it to Food Rights. We're gonna get our essentials, some Dr. Pepper and frozen pizzas. We should be able to outlast this storm. So I think the moral of the story here is 1, shop before the blizzard hits. 2, when you walk from your house to the store in the blizzard, make sure you have your wallet. And yeah.
It's really cold. I don't think we're gonna make it back. I'm coming. We have all of our groceries now. We have enough to keep us fed through the weekend at least. Hopefully we won't have to go back to the store anymore because I don't think I can do this. We got there and started shopping, and Jason realized that he forgot his wallet, so he had to come back out in the snow and go back home and get his wallet. So he says he ran. I don't really know why he did that, but he did. Yeah, so now we're on our way back, and it's really cold. I really can't see.
Frostbite has eaten most of my foot. I'm hoping to hold on to my big toes. I hear it's pretty important for balancing purposes. But yeah, the pinkies were the first to go. They're both gone. My boot is a solid piece of ice I'm walking on right now. I think my shoelace is untied, but I'm not sure if my fingers are nimble enough to tie them. So, yeah.
Look at that big snow mound over there. That big snow mound, that's huge. No.
Mark said we're still gonna have church tomorrow. But yeah.
We could just go to church here. I mean, it is right down the road. We could walk. Jason's preaching tomorrow, so we have to go to church.
Sure
we have to brave it.
God's trying to tell us something.
all my friends and family in Texas, you're really not missing much because it's really cold and there's snow everywhere and it's hard to walk in. So, I mean, this is the first snow we've had since I've been here this bad. But
We've been like this since I was a kid.
yeah.
Actually, that happened on the week of my birthday too. Coincidence?
We're almost home. You can almost see it up ahead. We're pretty close.
We're probably gonna have to crawl in one of the second story windows since the front doors were covered up hours ago.
There's our house.
Yay!
Just on the other side of that White House. Right there. Yeah, I'm ready to get inside where it's warm.
Wouldn't it be great if the power died while we were gone?
Yeah,
Did you
no.
just shut off?
It didn't though.
And we froze to death holding each other?
Oh, shut up.
Like a poetic way to die.
Shut up.
Here's the pathway we cut for our house.
See, this is our front porch. The snow is actually above where the front porch normally is.
Approximate snow height just below my knee.
There's the tree that fell on Jason's truck last night.
Videotape that.
It didn't hurt it.
You might have all intentions in the world to cut that down and get it out of the way.
It was just inches away, really, from doing any major damage. Yeah, but that happened in the night. Just broke off there. Let's take a better look at that. Look how close that was. Wow. Alright, well, we're home. We survived. And, oh look, there's Cody. Hey, bud. It's just about as tall as him.